Hey y'all, it's me, Reece, or as some people call me, Sprinkle. And, you know, we really should have shown you this a while ago, but I only figured out how to record studio software yesterday. But either way, alright, this is the album. Okay? It's pretty much done. There are 12 actual songs, and then we got some interludes. Like that. And this. Anyway, yeah, man, we're just got to do a couple more things, Mastering is one of them. As you can see, these are unmastered tracks. They're all pretty quiet. In the end, they're all gonna look like this. You see this? You see the waveform power? Yeah, we're gonna make it real loud. Maybe. Little preview there. We don't know the track order yet either, and we don't know what to call it yet. That was a little too loud right now. How's that bass, dog? Haha. Ooh, that's crisp. Check out this sick riff right here. What up? Alright, I don't know. We're gonna make some music videos too. Probably a fresh cake stew first. That's what we said earlier. Which you... Check this out, man. Blues grandpa taught me how to play that solo. Lul. Alright. Yeah, that's good for now. I mean, hey, we wrote all these songs. It's been a while, man. We've spent like 6 months recording this stuff because we don't have big budget studio on our side. Y'all know big budget studio, right? Anyway, there's like some pop songs too. I just wanna show you this one too, actually. This is actually quite quiet. This is very quiet. How sweet. Anyway, man, so yeah, Look forward to sharing this stuff with you. We're gonna set up our plans soon with how we're gonna release it and promote it and all that. Gotta have some talks. Anyway, so yeah, we'll check in with you soon. Bye bye.